Why did you stop there? It's the second verse.
It's the whole verse now.
Yeah, carry on. Carry on.
Oh, but the chorus.
Yeah, just carry on from the chorus. Carry on, they're not harmonising. Get to the next bit.
Oh, shit. Ogre.
Free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. Oh, mad for a... That's it.